Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this high definition mobile Inkless printer. It's wireless. You print via Bluetooth connected to your phone. It's cute. This is it. This is how big it is. It comes in this cute little bag. It's nice and soft. And when you take it out, you get a charging cord. It is USB to USB-C, and you get the printer. It comes with paper already in, and you get the printer. This is it. So tiny, so compact. Love this little thing. Right, so what you're going to do is you are going to download the app on your phone. Going to open the cover to remove this protective paper. You do that by pressing these two little buttons here. The paper comes covered in cellophane, so you have to take the cellophane off the paper, and you need to open this up and feed it through the top so that the paper comes out of the printer. And then you close it again. Next, long press the button to turn it on. Cute, get a little beep there. Make sure your Bluetooth is on in your phone. Follow the steps in the app to connect to your printer. And then you are going to select Print Document. From there, you select your file by uploading it from another app. I'm going to demonstrate how to print a picture from your phone. That is my collage. Print. And there you go. This little printer is great. It's portable, cost effective because you don't need any ink, and it's wireless. So this is so versatile for when you are on the go. It comes with a roll of thermal paper, super compact. And you get the carrying case. It's compatible with both iOS and Android. I was blown away by how fast this printed and for the quality of the photos that it did print. So let's take a look and see what they look like. Rip it off. And there you go. The quality on this is amazing. So again, with this tiny little printer that comes with a charger and paper and this amazing carrying case, can be connected via Bluetooth to your phone, and then you can print documents and photos from the app. This is incredible and is life-changing. Check this one out.